So here we are at Elinor. It's the 24th of March 2024. Pretty windy, as you can see. Water's a little bit discoloured. It's about 1 foot of clarity, which is making the fishing a little bit more challenging. It feels about 7 or 8 degrees, but with the wind chill it's making it a bit chillier. Yeah, challenging day. So far, had one. Been here about half an hour, 45 minutes. Had one in a black and green tadpole, fished on a slow intermediate with a roly-poly retrieve. So we'll see how the day goes. Alright, so here we are, Goodfellow Bay. I'm now on a slow intermediate. Just casting out to the middle there. Got a tadpole, got a couple of buzzers. Yeah, I'm just going to give it a bit of a go and see what we can get around here. Oh, that was a good pull. Oh, that was a good pull. Don't know if you saw that. Oh, and again. Jesus. All right. Okay. So we had a good pull that last cast. I might just go a little slower on the retrieve. Ah! So I just lost one there. That was probably on the buzzer. That was pretty close in. Just bringing it back nice and slow. Nailed it. Just a nice slow one. Just like this. Nice and close. Right, don't know if you can actually hear me due to the wind. Change the location, come down to the overflow corner, and we're right into the teeth of the wind. But this could be the spot. Look at the wind direction. Just gonna have to fish it slowly. See how we go. Ethan's making himself comfy while he's playing in the mud. Sorry if this footage is really loud, windy and crackly, but kind of gives you an idea of what the conditions are like. Not the greatest, but we've had 1.5, one on, and we lost another, so could be a game changer down here. We'll just have to wait and see. Alright, so I've taken off the intermediate. Now we've gone for a floating line, sink tip. We've got 3 fly cast. Got a buzzer, I've got a cruncher, and I've got like a little black lure bead head, like a black tadpole with a green bead head. Just gonna bring it through slowly, see if that helps keep it up in the water. That last one, when I was reeling in, I had one swish the black tadpole. Obviously didn't stay on. But yeah, that was a lot faster. This I'm just gonna fish a lot slower and see if we have any luck. That's a good line, that. I can just swing round. That was the line I had when I was reeling in and the fish chased it. This guy's. So I literally thought it was a bit of weed, so I tugged it. Again. I don't know if you saw that last video I did maybe in November time. It was all icy, freezing cold. This was all underwater, frozen. Now look at it, it's just about recovering. So yeah, I'm not gonna fish underneath these trees. I'm gonna go to the other side of these trees and see if we can get some luck there. So first cast. Again, a hold here. I like this spot, but will it be productive? Let's see. Let's just fish my way through in a fan casting. Jesus, almost feels as though the wind has just picked up. Holy moly, this is an absolute joke. Look at the line. Good, I'm going to get myself in a mess here in a second. Just like that. Alright, so the change of scenery. Come around here next to Rin. To the boat bay. Fishing the bung again. It's crazy, like around there. Whoa. They're fishing lures like 1 foot, 3 foot, and just literally twitching them back, and then that's it. So yeah.